Welcome to the part 20 of the Gregg Shorthand course. In this video, we're going to have a look at X, which means that we will see that how to make some words containing X. Alright, so first of all, we will make some characters to understand this topic better. So like M, F, and T. Alright, so M in Gregg Shorthand is made like this, F is made like this, and T is made like this. Alright, so now we have to see how to make this X, but before that we will make this S. S is made either like this or like this. Alright, so to make this X, we have to make the slant S like this or like this. Right, so if we notice here, this is the same word S, but this is slant S. Alright, this is slant S. So this is how to make the X. So suppose now we have a word called mix. So first we have this M, then this is E vowel, which is very similar to this one, as in kit, which is a small circle. Then we have this X. So mix word will be made like this. So now notice, just pay close attention here what we did here. We first made this M, then there is a very small circle which is E vowel, then we made this X. Alright, so just notice that if we had to make this word called miss, so how we would do that? We would make this miss word like this. Alright, because this is M, then we have this E vowel, then we made this S, which is like this. But because we wanted to make this word called mix, so we used the slant S like this. So this is our X word, okay, X character. So now suppose we have another word called mixes. So now again, just pay close attention here how we will be making this word mixes. This word will be made like this. Alright, so now see what we did here. We first made this M, then we made this E vowel, which is E circle, then we made this X, and this is X, and to add the additional S, we just made this. We just attached a small curve, okay, small S, like this, because this till here this is X, then additional curve like this is simple S. Right, so this is X plus S is X's. So here it is pronounced as mixes, so it is X's, mixes. So this is how we have to make this word. So suppose we have another word called fix. So now we have F, then again E vowel, then we have X. So fix will be made like this. Alright, so this is F, then we have E vowel, then we have this X. This is slant S. Alright, so suppose another word called fixes. So we will do the exact thing that we did while making this word mixes. So mixes word will be made like this. Alright, see, this is F, then we use this E vowel, then we use this slant S like this. Then to make additional S, we used like this. So this is we used X also plus S. Alright, so this is our final word mixes, fixes. So let's take another like tax. So here we have T, then A, then X. So A vowel, which is similar to this one as in mat. So we will be making a large circle here. So final tax word will be made like this. Right, so here we use T, then A vowel, then we have X. Alright, so likewise we have this word called taxes now. So we will be using the same method. So taxes word will be made like this. So you see what we just did here. We first made this T, then A, then we have this x, then this is additional s. So this is how we have to make this x or x's.